1970 Porsche 914. Price $2950. Location Mexico. The 1970 Porsche 914 is one of the most unique sports cars ever created, blending innovation, style, and affordability into a single iconic package. Born from a collaboration between Porsche and Volkswagen, this car represents a bold move to bring mid-engine performance to a wider audience. Its unmistakable signal orange factory color instantly captures attention and reflects the vibrant spirit of the 1970s. The exterior design is both simple and striking, featuring clean lines, a low stance, and signature pop-up headlights that define its era. Built by Karmann, the Porsche 914 carries a reputation for solid craftsmanship. The removable Targa roof adds versatility, allowing drivers to enjoy both coupe-like structure and open-air freedom whenever they desire. The interior of the 914 stays true to Porsche's driver-focused philosophy. With classic VDO gauges, dual bucket seats, and a four-spoke steering wheel, everything is designed to keep the driver connected to the road. The addition of a vintage Panasonic radio enhances the nostalgic feel, making every drive a throwback experience to a golden era of motoring. The real magic of the Porsche 914 lies in its mid-engine layout, which delivers exceptional balance and handling. Even by today's standards, this configuration provides a thrilling driving experience. While this particular example is offered as a project car without an engine, it opens the door for enthusiasts to fully customize and restore it to their vision. The opportunity to own a classic Porsche at such an accessible price is rare. This 1970 Porsche 914 is more than just a car. It's a restoration journey waiting to happen. For collectors, hobbyists, or anyone passionate about vintage sports cars, this is a chance to revive a true icon and bring it back to life on the road.